Today, I share with you another yummy recipe, homemade corn flakes. If you have corn at home, make this recipe. Let's dive in. Get corn, no matter the quantity, any quantity of corn, just wash it, sun dry it. Once it's fully dried very well, then put it inside the blender and crush it. Crush it very well until it's very smooth. Then add sugar and a pinch of salt. Now blend everything together. If you have a bigger blender like for dry ingredients, you can crush everything at once, then add sugar and a pinch of salt. But if you are doing it bit by bit, when you blend, you add little sugar and salt, just like that, until this consistency. Look at what we have now. Get another bowl and take a little bit out from there. Add warm water inside it and mix very well till this consistency. This is the first one I am missing. It's a bit thicker. Now add your flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. I am using vanilla. Look at the other one that we separated. Just add a little water. It will serve as our crumbs. Just make it to be like bread crumbs. Now get your tray and baking paper. Put it inside the baking paper and spread it. This one is a bit thicker. Then this is the one that we serve as crumbs. Just take a little, use it to sprinkle on it, just like the way I am doing. I miss this. This one is lighter. If you want it to be lighter or thicker, the choice is yours. Bake for like 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, voila. Look at what we have. Our homemade cornflakes is ready. The first one is thicker and this one is lighter. So the choice is yours. You can use it for breakfast. I made it for my kids this morning and it was like, wow. It's crispy, yummy, delicious. Will you be trying this recipe? Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Subscribe, like, and follow for more recipes.